Hey everybody, Mark here. Welcome to step 4, easy and quick logo design. And glad you made it this far. And don't forget, you can always pause video, go back, take a few extra time, and then come back when you're ready to go to the next step. So here's some easy and quick logo design. So there's a few different ways to get logo design. We don't want to, if you already have one, then that's great. You can skip this step. But if not, you can get an easy little logo design from somewhere like fiverr.com. They're fast and cheap. You can get anywhere like from about $6 US, and it depends what you want. And you want to make sure that you already have your colors and fonts, so you can send that to whoever's designing it. There's other places as well, but fiverr.com is pretty good, reliable. And number 2, you can make your own on canva.com, which we'll show in the next video, more about that. And the logo size is for your hub, that also would work on mobile, tabs, desktop friendly. So that way I would recommend a maximum height about 70 pixels. So that works well in the WordPress theme and over all platforms. So it resizes when you're looking on a tab or mobile and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so you can either make your own with templates we show in the next step 5. And I'll just give you a quick rundown. Just don't overthink this, because you can always change or tweak it later. Okay, so let's check out some Fiverr and Canva. So here we are at fiverr.com. So fiverr.com, and just check out for logo design here. We'll check out what we get with the logo design, logo services, business logo. Just check out first results for logo design. So if we check out this, you can kind of scroll down, get an idea. $5, $20. Haven't used Fiverr before. You can see up here this guy's got 1K with 5 stars, so you can sort it by relevance or customer newest arrivals. So if you want to go with somebody, there's a 22, this one's 759. That's reviews, so be at least that or more. Okay, and yeah, so just whatever catches your eye. Some are $25, $35, so it's all over, but they start at 5. And with everything included, it's about $6 US. And $8.82 for this one. So let's just click on and check out this guy. Okay, so we got logo. I will design 3 logo concepts in 24 hours. Okay, so then you got to check too. He's got 43 orders in queue, 882, but he says to do it in 24 hours. Doesn't say unlimited revisions, so that way if you don't like it, you can get him revise it a few times, or her or him. Oh, it's a him. And then okay, the other thing, high resolution, what you want, logo transparency, which is important. And then he's got a $20 package here. So what is that? Well, he gives you the source file, so if you wanted like a PSD file or whatever, you can grab it there. And what's this one extra here? Vector file, and that would be $30. So you get the idea. It's got the JPEG file and transparency, so I'm not sure. Usually it have to be PNG. But anyways, check it around. And the other way we can search under here is for business, the business logo design, because that's where we're more in business. And again, $5, 25, 760, 31. That looks nice. And you can check it out at your leisure and pick somebody that you want, and you want to send your fonts. They usually tell you what they want, so you want to send your font and the colors you want. Get your color code, or send them an example. I will do 4 business logo designs. $5. What do you get? high quality JPEG file, 5 revisions, 24 hours, 1 logo included. This one gives you the source file, so most of these are, if you want the source file for the future, you need to pay a little more. You can also check around like Upwork.com or other places around if you want to grab some different prices or whatever. And then here you can see where this guy's got different logos. They look good. Look, the size is good. Important factor in this, if you have a size of around of like a 70 pixels max height. Okay, so head over here to canva.com, and they have lots of tutorials built in here. So I'm actually at canva.com/create/logos/ so it says design a stunning logo in minutes with Canva's online logo maker. So it kind of give you a little bit of a tutorial if you want, and it's exactly what we want. Build your brand identity with a unique logo, and it says open a new logo design. So if we click that, take us over to this page, and this will pop up, and it said show me how it's done. 21 seconds. Okay, so they're gonna show you. Drag it over. A little bit slow, but it just shows you what's happening. So now they're saying download it. And there you go. Say, oh, now it's my turn. Okay, so there's the one they had there. So we'll just grab something, whatever you want it to do. You can change your background color, of course. So let's just grab this for a minute. And if we wanted to change our background color, we go up here and choose any color we want. So we want to make a lighter blue. And we also wanted to change this element out. We can go over to elements here, and you can add different elements you want in here. And on the text, you can go up here, change the size of the text, change the color of the text. Alright, so we want to make it black. Change the font. You can upload your own font, as we said, if you want to do it that way. And then when you're finished, you click download. The only thing now is they have it in different PNG, which is recommended, but now they won't let you hit the transparent background, and they want you to sign up. But they have a 30-day free trial, so if you wanted to use it for that, you could. And the other options is you can just Google some free logo designs and check around. Most of these, though, they're pretty good. Here's one here, free logo design. What is it? freelogodesign.org, and you can create a logo in a few minutes, 100% free. The only thing is, if you check here with high resolution, it's $59. But again, it's for your business, so it's cool. Okay, here's another one. Check out Graphic Springs. Enter your business name here. So you just say, my cool, and you want a tagline. My tag, and then we say next. And then they're going to say select whatever you're in. So say we're in, who knows what we got here, photography. Okay, we can go pick the logo, so the sort of step-by-step again. Just something simple, so you just grab this guy. And that's what it'd be. And so you can edit it more if you want. Now again, this will show you this if you download it. Right, you try to download it, it says secure. They're telling the other people are looking at this, blah blah blah, and they want you to buy it in a high resolution. So then when you click on that to check it out, you go to this page in basic high resolution, $19.99. So if you want no white background, you're looking at $40. So it's an option, but again, Fiverr.com is is the place I would recommend. Yeah, over here at Fiverr.com, I would recommend that, unless you're you can use Photoshop or Illustrator. Most people use Illustrator, but as it's a vector graphic. But it depends what you want it for, and usually, like I say too, with these ones, if you get an upgrade, they'll give you the source file, which is usually a Photoshop file, a PSD. All right, assignment before step 5. So in step 4, get it done. Get a logo made using your choice of fonts and colors from the above steps. And once you have that done, you want to post it in the projects. Okay, so if you need more information, kind of look at other companies in your niche. You can check around and, like I say, send the fonts and the colors to whoever's making it. And we'll see you in the next step. Step 5, putting it all together. See you then.